cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni, and today I'm turning myself into Ecco from Gotham. Hair is up, glasses are on, and I'm ready to pick a very old pencil of mine and start from the body paint part. So first of all, I want to draw some basic guidelines in order to know where the clothes of Ecco will be on me, and then I will go to the face painting. So without any further talking, let's start by doing lines. As you can see, I have finished with all the lines, and believe me, it took me about an hour to finish with all those lines. I know it's a lot, and especially when you have to do straight things, to me it's so difficult. Anyway, I already started filling all these areas with black, and let me show you, I'm using a new black. This one right here, this is from Snazaru or something like that, I'm not sure about the name, and actually I'm trying to test this brand in order to be able to replace Eulenspiegel, because nowadays I find that it's okay, but it's not stunning, and I would like to find this stunning body paint. So I take my black, I fill this, and while I'm doing this, I would like to tell you how I got inspired to do this makeup. So I was reading the comments at one of my body paint videos, and yes, I have a lot of them. If you're new here, hello, I'm Antigoni, welcome to this channel. I have a full playlist of body paints. You can subscribe in order to make sure that you're not gonna miss any of my future uploads. Anyway, back to relevancy, and someone actually proposed me to create that Ecco character, and to be honest, I didn't know about her. So basically, she's kinda similar to Harley Quinn, but in another universe. So to me, this as an idea was very interesting, because if you know, I have already created a version of Harley Quinn. Definitely I'm planning to do another one in the future, but for now I have already done it, so I was looking for something new yet similar to her. So to me, this character was just perfect. That's why I decided, and that's why we are here now. Next step is to do the stripes on my vest, and actually I have this picture as reference picture. So this is gonna be one side half red, half white, this one specifically, and the other one half blue, half white, this one. And I'm gonna do exactly the opposite at the sleeves. So here I'm gonna do black and white, and here red and white. Now I'm gonna start from here. For red, I'm gonna use this red that I didn't really like from Eulenspiegel, and actually this is a very dark pink, that's why I don't like it. For white, I'm gonna use a new body paint that I bought. This is from Moon Creations, this one right here. It's actually the first time that I'm using it. I have no idea, absolutely no idea what to expect, so we will find out together. As you can see, I have finished with the vertical black and white stripes, and I'm gonna do the horizontal black and white stripes for you to see the whole procedure. And I used these two body paints. One is from Snazaru and the other one is from Moon Creations. So I'm still trying the black one, and I'm impressed. It's working perfectly. I think this one is from Snazaru. The white from Moon Creations, it's okay, nothing super impressive. So this is my review. Definitely I need to try them a little bit more to have a full opinion, but for now that's my first impressions. Time to do the other sleeve, this one right here with red and white, and I'm gonna use exactly the same red and white that I used right here, but I would like to show you the technique of the vertical stripes. That's why I'm doing this on camera. So I will take this tiny red right here, which already has a hole. That's good news, because I really can't wait to finish it. And then I'm gonna take this white and I'm gonna start doing my stripes. Next step is to do the lapel part of my costume, this one right here, and the plan here is to start from white body paint, this one right here, and then eventually end up in black. In my mind, it's easier to blend from white to black instead of from black to white. I think that if you do something with black, it's very difficult to go back, so that's why I'm starting with the white. Then after that, I'm gonna do some shading with a grey eyeshadow, which is this one right here. This is from a We Makeup custom palette, and actually it's a very nice grey. As you can see at this part right here, it's working perfectly with the whole costume idea. So this is what I'm gonna use First of all, under the lapel part in order to make it kinda more 3D, and secondly here to make the sleeve a little bit pop up. I proudly finished with all the clothes of the character. Now I have one last element to finish with the body paint, and actually it's the choker. So at my reference picture she has a black choker, and for this I'm gonna use my black body paint, what else? And I'm gonna draw it. So I have done the guidelines yesterday, literally yesterday, so by now they have faded a little bit, but it's fine, I know what I'm doing, so let's not waste time. Okay, as you can see, I have removed my glasses, and this means one thing. I'm moving on to the face. So, I'm gonna start by priming my face with NYX Professional Makeup Marshmallow Primer, and then I will block one eyebrow. I'm not sure if I wanna do this on camera because I have done it for previous body paints, but I feel that you might need to see it one last time, and then I promise I will never block my eyebrows on camera again. So, while I'm priming, tell me, do you know about Ecco as a character? Have you seen her? Because before that comment that I was telling you about, I didn't know about her existence. Like, I'm not the biggest comic fan or DC movie fan out there, but I at least know the basic characters, so that means that she is not a basic character, but she's so similar with Harley Quinn. And I mean, look at the color scheme of the outfit that she has, like, it's so similar, it's black, red and white. So yeah, it's so interesting. When I did my research, because I want my makeup to represent the character and I don't want just to have a reference picture and that's it, just copy the picture. I want to incorporate some emotion as well. I found a lot of interesting stuff about her and her love and her story and how she sacrificed herself. I defined this relationship that she had as toxic, but I don't want to judge and I don't want to say a lot about this, but it was romantic but in a toxic way, so I definitely do not recommend this type of relationship. From my reference picture, I see that she has blocked this eyebrow right here, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm taking my glue, this is just a stick glue, I'm using the one from Prit. It's not perfect, but it's doing its job, so it's fine. So, next step is to apply a thick layer of loose powder like this white right here, and the white is a very good color choice. And the idea behind it is that I want to set the glue in order to make sure that it's properly dry, and then on the top I'm gonna add a layer of concealer. I'm gonna use this one right here, it's from e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I chose this one specifically because I want to make sure that I will have a very thick concealer, so I will neutralize this eyebrow area. So if it's not perfect, it's fine, because Ecco as a character, she's mad, she's a little bit crazy, so of course she's not doing the absolute great job, and we will see this at the face paint step, but I would like to do it as good as possible, although that at my reference picture I can see her eyebrow. Definitely I can see her eyebrow. Anyway, after my concealer, then I will go back to the powder again and I will apply another thick layer to set the concealer up, so I will have a sandwich of setted things. Something that it is quite impressive for me is her eye look. I mean, she has a very beautiful halo eye with black and silver and metallics, and I'm like, oh my god, this is way too glam for a destroyed character, but definitely we are here to replicate that. You know how much I love silver, you know how much I love bling bling in general, and I'm starting my eye look by using my favorite primer from Urban Decay, Primer Potion. This primer is about to finish, and I'm thinking, what should I use next? If you have any good recommendations, please write down in the comments, or what do you want to see, or if you want to test something with me. Don't forget to propose me only cruelty-free products, because I'm not testing, I'm not buying, I'm not supporting makeup which is not cruelty-free, and I have a video about this where I'm explaining my ideas and why I'm doing this and stuff like that. I will leave it down at the description box or up here. if you want to check it out. But yeah, this is the primer. Now I will blend the primer and I will start by using the gray from this palette right here, which is We Makeup. I don't remember the name. This is a custom palette, so I don't remember the name of this shadow. But if you go to We Makeup site, it's at the mattes and it's the only gray, so you will find it very easily. I'm gonna deepen up my halo eye, of course by using black, and I'm taking my palette, oops, war paint, and from this palette I'm gonna take the shade Authentic, this black right here, and I will go right in the middle at the gray and I will start blending the black out. Now, before I continue with anything, I'm gonna take this pencil right here. This is from NYX Professional Makeup Metallic Eyeliner in the shade Black Metal. Oh my god, I love this pencil. I'm gonna apply it at my waterline and then I'm gonna add the shimmer. Now I'm going to take my palette from BH Cosmetics, this one right here. Miss Claus, this is the Christmas palette, but it has truly amazing colors. And from this palette, I'm gonna take this silver, which is called Diamonds. I'm in love with this color, it's very beautiful. So I had two choices, either A, to go with something with this opacity right here, or B, go with a topper, something more, you know, fairy-ish or something like that. But since the character is destroyed, I want to show it with the makeup as well, because to be honest, I kinda disagree with the makeup that I see at the picture, because I feel that it should be smudged, it should be in a bad condition, and that's why I'm working the way that I'm working, and I really try to create something which is not symmetric and something that in the end will not be beautiful. That's my vision of the character. Anyway, I'm gonna take this silver right here with a brush from Beauty Bay, like this one. I cannot read the name right now, but I'm gonna use this one, and then I will go here to fill this middle area. Okay, let's move on to the scariest part of today's makeup, at least for me. So, it's the time that I'm gonna take this palette right here. This is from You Can Be, it's called Athena, and it contains oil colors. So I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna make my face white. But it's not gonna be a nice even white. My reference picture recommends this type of white. So I'm so afraid that I'm gonna ruin everything. At the same time, I feel that this will have so much fun because it will be something like messy, not messy in the sense like I'm not gonna pay attention to what I'm doing or I'm gonna be sloppy or anything, but I feel that I'm gonna have fun in a unique way. So I'm ready to dive in and wish me luck, people! Oh my god, I truly love it! Like, look at all this madness that it represents. It's perfect for me, it's perfect, and I had so much fun creating it. So let me tell you something. Always when I'm doing a white face, I say pay attention, do not look like a clown or stuff like that, but in today's makeup, that's what we need. We need to look like a clown, and not like a normal clown, a very destroyed one, a very sad clown, and this is what we have, and I'm so excited about this because I can give this character the emotions that it really has. So wow, I'm super excited, I'm super happy, and I mean, look all this fade out. It's so worn as a makeup, it's not a fresh makeup, and look how nice it destroys the shape of the eyes. I mean, it's so good. And I mean, it's not so good because of my skills, I mean, it's so good because it represents a full story, and to me, it's so amazing when I can have a makeup which tells a story. It's great, that's why I'm doing makeup, I'm getting so excited. So, sorry, I'm stop talking right now, and then I'm going to the next step, which is again powder, a lot of powder. So the plan here, oops, is to set my face as well as possible because I have some extra steps to do before I finish. So again, I'm taking my loose powder, I'm taking my sponge from before, and I start setting. And it's getting better and better. I mean, look how bad it looks with the setting powder. I mean, it looks worn, it looks dry, it looks patchy. It's amazing! It's amazing! I'm so excited. Next step is to draw some bad eyelashes that I can see that she has drew here. I don't know if you can see, but yes, she has drew some very bad eyelashes, and I'm gonna copy it. And then I will do another scary part, which is to create a dark black eyebrow. I feel that black is definitely not a color for my face, for my skin tone. Black is a no. So, I mean, I'm even more excited by that. You know something? I actually don't like the black eyebrow on me, but to be honest, I feel that it fits this makeup perfectly, so I would not like to see myself with a different color except from black. So, another difficult step right here is to create an upside down brow at the eye that I have blocked my original eyebrow. So, again, I'm gonna show you for a last time the reference picture, which is this one right here. I feel nervous, okay? I feel quite nervous. This is gonna be a difficult task, but I'm gonna try it, you know? I'm gonna try it because this makeup makes me so excited. Yeah, maybe I need to sketch it first in order to feel more safe. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and for this I'm gonna take again my war paint palette, and from this palette the black shadow, which is called Authentic. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you can see, this character is not okay. Actually, at all the references that I have read, they say that she is insane. So, for today's video, I decided to tell you the Greek word for insanity. So, in Greek, we say parania. Say with me, pa-ra-ni-a. Parania. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word parania, or tell me the word in your own native language, or tell me what do you think about this character, or the toxicity of the relationship that she had with Jeronim. Oh, let me take some help. It's Jeremiah. Jeremiah, Joker. That's how many references and common elements they have with Harley Quinn and Joker. Even their boyfriend's name starts with the same letter. So, anyway, back to the makeup! The last step for today's makeup are the lips. The lips have equally weird shape as the rest of the face, so I decided to kinda shape them first. I'm gonna use this lip pencil. This is Motivation from Your Makeup Stories, but it's not the only one that I'm gonna use today. So I look again at my reference picture. Oh my god, it's kind of difficult to remember all these. So the thing is that where she has the natural eyebrow, she has the upper lip painted like that. Of course, I have overlined a lot, and of course I'm gonna smudge the lip pencil after I finish, but now the important part is to do the other side. So at the other side she has the bottom lip kinda overlined and painted, while the rest of her lips are just neutral, not even white, nothing. So let's do it, and then let's smudge everything. And this is the look, with lips, with hair, with everything. If you feel that you want to spend more time observing the look and finding all the details, all the juicy details, you know what can you do? You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page will be Catlady Antigoni. I'm gonna leave it down here. As always, go there, zoom in, and learn as much stuff as possible. I hope that you learned a lot of stuff from today's tutorial. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you tomorrow with a more chatty video, and until then, bye!